Hey, let me ask you something real quick. Do you hate being on camera? Like, your content ideas are solid, but the thought of showing your face? Nah, hard pass. Good news. You don't have to. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can literally replace yourself with AI avatars that talk, present, and even act like you. No awkward camera moments needed. So let's talk about the tools. I've tested a bunch, but today I'm breaking down the top 5. Hagen, Synthesia, Argill, Creatify, and DID. Whether you're making YouTube videos, courses, or content for clients, there's something here for you. This isn't just about hiding from the camera anymore. It's about unlocking a new level of efficiency and creativity. The world of faceless content creation has evolved far beyond simple screen recordings and stock footage. We're now in an era where you can have a digital presenter, a virtual host, working for you 24/7 without ever having to worry about bad hair days, flubbing your lines, or setting up a single ring light. These platforms represent the cutting edge of AI-driven media, and understanding them is key to staying ahead. We're going to dive deep into what makes each one tick, who it's built for, and how you can leverage it to grow your channel, your business, or your brand, all while staying comfortably behind the scenes. First up, Hagen. Honestly, this one blew me away. It's probably the most YouTuber-friendly tool on the list. You can pick from a bunch of lifelike avatars, and if you want to get fancy, you can even create your own digital clone. Hagen has positioned itself as the go-to platform for creators who want professional-grade quality without a Hollywood budget or a complex production team. The user interface is incredibly intuitive, feeling more like a simplified video editor than a complex piece of AI software. You can drag and drop elements, change backgrounds with a single click, and add text overlays and branding, all within the same workspace. What truly sets Hagen apart is the quality of its avatars. We're not talking about clunky, robotic figures from a decade ago. These are high-fidelity digital humans with subtle facial expressions, natural head movements, and a sense of presence that is genuinely impressive. The lip sync is tight, the editing is super intuitive, and you can crank out videos fast. This tight lip syncing is crucial. It's one of the biggest hurdles for any AI video generator, and Hagen nails it, which helps maintain viewer immersion and prevents the content from falling into the uncanny valley. One of their most powerful features is the instant avatar. You can upload about 2 minutes of footage of yourself speaking to the camera, and their AI will create a custom avatar that looks and sounds just like you. The implications are massive. You can generate videos of yourself presenting a script while you're on vacation, sleeping, or working on other projects. It ensures perfect consistency in your on-screen presence, delivery, and audio quality every single time. But it's not cheap. You're looking at $29/month for the starter plan, which gives you a limited number of credits. And the more video minutes you use, the more it'll cost as you scale up. 1 minute of generated video typically costs 1 credit, so you have to be mindful of your usage. Still, if you're a creator who wants to stay off camera but still look pro, this is a solid bet. It's an investment in scalability and quality, perfect for educational channels, product reviewers, or anyone who needs a consistent and polished presenter. Next up, Synthesia. Think of this as the suit and tie version of Hagen. It's perfect for corporate stuff like training videos, tutorials, and internal company content. While Hagen focuses on the dynamic energy of social media and YouTube, Synthesia is all about clarity, professionalism, and enterprise-grade reliability. This is the tool that major corporations are using to streamline their internal and external communications. The platform is built from the ground up to serve business needs. The avatars are polished, and there are tons of languages and voices to choose from. This is a key differentiator. Synthesia supports over 120 languages and accents, allowing a single company to create a training module and deploy it globally, with each version presented by a fluent, native-sounding avatar. This saves an astronomical amount of time and money compared to hiring voice actors and translators for dozens of markets. The environment in Synthesia reflects its corporate focus. The backgrounds are clean virtual studios, modern office spaces, or allow for custom branded backdrops. The emphasis is on distraction-free, clear communication. You won't find the flashy templates or playful animations of a creator-focused platform. Instead, you get robust features like easy script management, collaboration tools for teams, and the ability to update videos by simply editing the text, which automatically regenerates the video without needing a reshoot. But fair warning, it's not really made for casual or creative YouTubers, more of a business vibe. Its feature set is geared towards solving business problems. How do we train 10,000 employees on a new compliance policy? efficiency. How do we create personalized sales videos at scale? How can our CEO deliver a company-wide message without tying up a whole film crew? Pricing starts at around $22, $50 a month for the personal plan when billed annually, and like Hagen, you get a limited number of video credits unless you upgrade to their corporate plans, which offer more features and are custom priced. For businesses looking to enhance their learning and development or marketing communications, Synthesia is an undisputed leader. Now, Argill is kind of the underdog here. It's newer, but has some cool tricks. While Hagen and Synthesia need a finished script, Argill acts as a true content automation engine. You can feed it data, notes, bullet points, a topic, or even a blog post link, and it generates a full AI video with an avatar explaining everything. This is a fundamentally different workflow. Argill's AI analyzes your material, writes a script, selects visuals or B-roll, and generates the video with a speaking avatar. It's amazing for rapidly converting text-based content into videos. Say you have a knowledge base or blog series. Argill lets you turn each one into a short explainer in minutes, with almost no manual script writing. It's all about speed and efficiency. The avatars aren't as polished as Hagen or Synthesia, but for quick content, not bad. The trade-off for that speed is a slight drop in avatar realism. They work, but lack the nuanced expressions of more established tools. Still, for internal comms, social updates, or summarizing research, the quality works fine. The magic of Argill is in cutting creation friction to almost zero, and they offer a free plan, perfect for testing the waters. It's a great way to explore the data to video idea before paying, making it super accessible to anyone curious about AI avatars. If you want more personality, check out Creatify, built for creators. Think YouTube Shorts, TikToks, reaction videos, that kind of energy. On personality-driven platforms, photorealism isn't always the goal. Sometimes it's better to go for a stylized animated look that pops. Creatify embraces that. It moves away from digital human realism and leans into animated characters and virtual influencers. You can create avatars that are more animated, fun, and definitely more you. It's made for vertical, fast-paced content. Templates are mobile optimized with bold text, eye-catching animations, and trendy effects. Perfect for brand mascots, cartoon versions of yourself, or fictional characters delivering commentary or educational bits. By avoiding hyperrealism, Creatify dodges the uncanny valley and gives creators a way to build a unique brand identity. It's about creating a new digital performer, not replacing a human. Pricing's friendly too, around $15/month for the creator plan, with a free trial to try it out. It's a great entry point for creators wanting to explore faceless content in a fun, stylish way without spending much. It's for those who value branding, style, and personality over photorealism. And then there's DID, very different. Its full name is de-identification. It began with a privacy focus, then pivoted to creative AI. Its tech is unique. You upload a still image of a person, painting, or drawing, and it animates it into a speaking avatar. The AI reads the facial structure and syncs lip movements, blinking, and subtle head motions to your audio script. Super cool for fast videos or turning a headshot into a voiceover explainer. The power of DID is in how simple and accessible it is. No complex avatar setup, just upload a photo, type or upload your script, pick a voice, and hit generate. It's fast and opens creative possibilities. You can animate old portraits to tell stories, make your logo talk, animate author photos for promos, or use stock photos to create anonymous testimonials. Don't expect full motion, it's basic, but it works. Animation is limited to the head and face, no gestures. It's literally a talking head, but that's often all you need. Pricing starts at $5 per minute with a pay-as-you-go credit system, ideal for occasional users who don't want monthly fees. It's the go-to for quick, simple, creative photo-to-video projects. Alright, here's the breakdown. Think of it like this. Hagen looks amazing, perfect for YouTube, higher cost, great for serious creators and marketers who want the best visual fidelity and are willing to invest in a professional digital presenter. Synthesia Pro and polished, best for business use, ideal for training, HR, and scalable communication. Excellent for multilingual support and secure enterprise features. Argill, quick content, low effort, budget friendly. Best for turning text or ideas into video fast. Prioritizes automation and speed over visuals. Creatify, fun and casual. Great for short form, made for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts creators who want animated avatars and a unique vibe instead of realism. DID, super simple, ideal for faceless explainers. Great for animating photos into talking heads. Best for basic imaginative projects without heavy lifting. So yeah, if you hate being on camera, you've got no excuse now. These tools let you show up without showing your face. High quality video creation has never been easier. You can now be a prolific creator, educator, or communicator without the stress, time, or cost of traditional video. The future of content is flexible, and these AI tools put the power in your hands. Let me know in the comments which one you're gonna try, or if you already use one. And hey, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.